Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Dima. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to become a member of the family. Also turn the bell icon to get all notifications anytime a new video drops on the channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a super moisturizing hair mask, or rather a moisture protein balance hair mask. As you already know, that for you to have a healthy hair, you need moisture and protein balance. Please keep watching and I'll be right back. You're welcome back. So our first ingredient is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a plant that has thick leaves with a gel-like substance inside of them. It's found all over the world and many people even grow their own. Just like me, I've shown you my aloe plants on several occasions on this channel. Aloe vera has been used for centuries for its hair growth properties. The best form of aloe vera to use on your hair is the raw gel of the plant, like so. The gel is clear in color and slightly watery. Just by rubbing aloe vera into your scalp and hair and letting it penetrate your hair follicles could condition and improve damaged dry hair. Aloe vera has long been used for treating hair loss. It also soothes the scalp and conditions hair. It can reduce dandruff and unblock hair follicles that may be blocked by excess oil. So I started by cutting off the ends of the aloe vera leaf that I have here. That was because I kept it in the fridge and that was why the end kind of looked brownish, so I had to cut that off and then cut off the spikes and then use my spoon to scoop out the gel, the white clear watery gel. After scooping out the gel, I have just little in the plate. So my next ingredient is going to be ginger. I bet you do not know about the amazing benefits of ginger for your hair. You probably have some sitting around your home at this minute without knowing that it has an excellent healing properties. Ginger helps stimulate each hair follicle, which in turn promotes natural hair growth. The many vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids in ginger also contribute to strengthening your hair strands to combat hair loss, and ginger contributes to restoring moisture loss. Before now, I had already peeled my ginger and then washed to remove impurities. And right now I'm slicing them into tiny bits to help my blender, and I'll be using just about that little water to blend this. Please note that I'll be blending the aloe vera and the ginger. So after blending, I actually did that off camera. I will go ahead and sieve this to get the juice. For the sieving process, I used a sieve, my cheesecloth, and then a bowl to collect the mixture. Please ensure you squeeze this properly to get the juice all out. So after sieving, here is a little juice that I got. Moving on, my next ingredient is going to be an egg. A sizable egg like so is just fine. Eggs have an abundance of proteins which serve as nutrition for hair, boosting its growth. It makes the hair follicle stronger. Stronger hair is less expected to break and fall. Egg yolks are high in lutein, which hydrates the hair, thereby improving its elasticity. So I broke the egg into the bowl. I know most of you will be asking if I used only the yolk or the egg white. I actually made use of both. I went ahead and beat that with my spoon, but if you have a whisk, hand whisk, go ahead and use that. So the next ingredient is going to be honey, and we are going to be making use of 2 tablespoons of honey. From providing deep conditioning to boosting hair growth, regular application of honey on the scalp and hair can give you great results. Being a great emollient, it nourishes the scalp from deep within to stimulate growth of soft, silky hair. It is also rich in antioxidants, which means it aids in hair conditioning, breaking, and damaging. Its amazing antibacterial and antiseptic properties helps keep away scalp infections. All said and done, honey for hair is an excellent idea. As you can see in the video, after adding in the 2 tablespoons of honey, I went ahead and stirred this properly to mix all the ingredients. Moving on, I'm going to be transferring what I have in this bowl, which is my ginger and aloe vera juice, into a clear bowl so you all can see this clearly and see what I'm doing. So next is to add 2 tablespoons of the mixture into the egg mixture, if that makes sense. I'm going to be adding my ginger and aloe vera mix into my egg mix, if that makes sense. I actually added 2 tablespoons of that into that. Go ahead and give this a good mix, and this hair mask is ready. Use this to coat your entire hair strands and scalp on wash days. Do this on freshly washed hair. Cover up your hair with a plastic bag or heat cap, whichever you have is fine. Cover up your hair for 30 minutes to an hour and then proceed to rinse that out. Please do not use shampoo at this point. Shampoo before using this mask. You can use this mask once a month or once in 2 weeks. That is twice a month. Guys, I'm not going to be demonstrating this. I'm so sorry. I have a protective style on, and I'm sorry I can't be using this on that protective style. So guys, this mask is moisture protein balanced. You can use this mask on your wash days. You can use this mask to give your hair that moisture protein balance that it requires at least once a month. And that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for always returning to watch my videos. I do not take it for granted. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly tap that red subscribe button on your interface. Turn the bell icon so you could be notified each time our video drops. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.